Can't wait to get these in Megatron. It's about to go down. Oop.
I believe it's important we go for everything we want in life because we only have one life to live. So we have to give it everything we got and try to make our dreams, our hopes, our aspirations become reality.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy T Flashy. I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna talk about a few things, but then got this box in front of me we gonna open up together real soon. Got all new speakers for Megatron for the inside because the ones I got, they sound okay. Then I wanted to go with a PRV, but the magnet's too big for my speakers in the back that go by the seats on the passenger and driver's side by the quarter panel. So gotta have a speaker with a smaller magnet. I actually gotta see if these gonna work. They should though, but we'll see though. The other ones I had was 300-400 watts. They had too big. The magnet was about that big. They was way too big. So went on and ordered these. So now my whole car be scarred. I scarred the amps and well, I gotta get another. I'm gonna get another Scar amp. Get the 4-channel Scar amp to go with these for the inside. But yeah, other than that, I got the Scar 12s in the trunk. Got the 2,000 watt Scar amp. Then we're gonna install all Scar in the inside. So we getting ready. I'm excited. First off, I wanna say Merry Christmas to everybody. I hope y'all all got everything y'all wanted. And for the less fortunate ones, I'm praying for y'all and hope y'all get to where y'all want to get. I know how those times is. I've been through hard times. Y'all just seeing all the good right now. And that's what I wanted to touch on today. It was I did a video with my cousin about 2 weeks ago. He got like million subscribers, I believe, on YouTube. I did a video with him. We did a joint video. I'm gonna post it on my channel too, so my subscribers can see it. But anyway, there was a few people in the comments like, "Oh, his T Flashy." They was like, his channel is just about cars. Is that all he think about? He a flashy guy? Is that all? We want to know his story. Let us know where he came from, what he been doing all this time. So I mean, I understand it. It's a lot of people just seeing what I've become. They didn't see what I used to be. So I mean, I wish I would have started YouTube a long time ago so y'all could have seen the whole entire grind up into now to where I'm at. But I kind of felt where she was coming from because I've been through a lot. I mean, nobody would know how to handle most of the situations I done been in and most of the stuff I done been through. I've been through a lot to get to where I'm at. And what y'all seeing is just years of hard work. I've been working since like 2002, I believe. Yep, I've been working since then. But my latest job, I was there for 15 years, so that was just a steady grind. The first 9 years, I was on a crazy swing shift. I would work 7 days a second shift, only 1 day off, 1 day. Then I would go to third shift the next night and work 7 days, a third shift. And then I have 2 days, well, really not even 2 days off because you got to be right back. You get off Thursday morning, you got to be back Saturday morning on day shift. You get off Thursday morning and you get off a third shift, and then you go back Saturday morning on day shift, and then you do another 7 days. I did that shift for 9.5 years. I was out here grinding, getting that money to get to where I'm at right now. But Anyway, then we went to a 12-hour shift, that was a little bit easier. It was 4 on, 4 off. It was not complicated like the one that I was on, but yeah. Other than that, I got I don't know if I've mentioned it before, but yeah, I got rental properties. I got three of those that generates income for me and my family. Then I was just working. I looked at a lot of when I was younger. I looked at a lot of people that was older than me, and I told myself that I was gonna be better than what those people are. I wasn't gonna be on the corner begging nobody for nothing, or um, begging my family members for money when I need to pay some or none. I just didn't want to be one of them guys. That's the last thing I want to do, is have to ask somebody else to help me and my family. But as far as my childhood story, it was rough too. It was a lot of ups and downs. I lived in the projects. A lot of people don't know I grew up in Chicago. I was born and raised in Chicago, but live here in Decatur, Illinois now though. But about to move back to Chicago because it ain't nothing like being at home. But anyway, yeah, I was born and raised in Chicago. My mama got 6 kids. I'm the middle child. A lot of people say that I was the spoiledest child, but I don't think so. But yeah, I'm the middle child. I got another brother. I got 4 sisters. Both of my parents still living. I watched my mama grind when I was younger. My dad wasn't always in the picture, but he came into the picture when I turned 11 or 12, I believe. He was in and out, but when he came, he stayed. That's all that matters. But yeah, anyway, my story is crazy. I could sit here and talk to y'all all day about how I grew up in Chicago and all the stuff that happened between me getting into gangs and into a gang and doing some stuff I shouldn't have did. It's a lot of different things I could mention, but I don't know if my family want me to mention everything on here, but I mean, I've been through a lot, y'all. I'm gonna just leave it at that. But it's a lot I could touch on about how I came up and a lot of stuff we went through. Like it was so rough, but we we made it through it though. Like we made it to that struggle made me what I am today, and that's why I do what I do today, because I know how it is not to have nothing. So I do everything I can to have anything I want whenever I want it. If I see something and I want to get it, I want to get it now. I'm not waiting. Like and then sometimes it's good to wait on things. You ain't gotta rush everything, but I done got to the point now where if I see something I want it, I'm gonna get it. So, and that's not bragging, that's not boasting. That's just how it is. Coming from where I come from and being where I'm at now, that's just how it is. I mean, I don't ever want nobody to think I'm bragging or boasting or just trying to show off. No, I'm just showing y'all that black men can be successful. There's so many things, different things we can do. We ain't gotta be out here doing what everybody else doing. But that's all I was trying to do. And me and my cousin tried to make that video, and I seen a lot of people getting on there talking crazy and saying stuff. And some of y'all follow me now, so and shout out to him, the Modern Renaissance Man. Make sure y'all go check out his YouTube channel. He gave me a lot of tips on stuff to do and how to do it and how long my videos should be. So, he a good dude for that. He ain't have to show me all of that. That's another thing. Just because if you know something, let somebody else know it. Don't just hold on to that information. There's enough money out here for everybody. I just found out posting reels on Facebook could get you paid. got like some videos doing numbers on there, and Facebook hit me up, and I'm already about to start getting paid for that in January. January 6th, I get my first check. I done made all these YouTube videos and ain't got one check yet. But guess what? I'm gonna keep on grinding. But anyway, y'all, about to open this box up. Okay, let's see what we got. That's the 6.5s right there. Sit them to the side. Is the 6x9s. Size is these? It's probably the 3.5s or 4s. Yep, I bet those because I got 2 boxes of those, so that gotta be the 3.5s. Those all go in the fiberglass stash. And the 5.5s. Those go in the bottom of the fiberglass dash. Alright, hold on, y'all. Alright, got every box open. Now let's see how they look, y'all. Hold on. Let's see. Hold on. Alright, y'all. Let's see. These are the ones I was most worried about. I think they're good though, because the magnet on the other speakers was way bigger than this. Like y'all see the size of that magnet. Magnet on the other speakers was way bigger than this, and I got a spacer in there now, so I believe that spacer will give me enough separation for these back ones. These are the ones I was the most worried about. All the other ones I know they're gonna fit. So yeah, I'm just glad I'm about to match everything all up, all scar. So let's see. Might open the rest. See what the rest of these look like for y'all. Hold on. Alright, y'all, I had to come to where the light was at. But yeah, y'all could see this, the 3.5s. This is the 5s. 5.5s, I mean. And this is the 3-way 6x9s. Don't talk about my hands, I know they ashy. For some reason, these didn't come with the grill. Scar, y'all need to send me some grills for the 3.5s. Matter of fact, y'all need to sponsor me. I got all y'all speakers in my car. Then Giovanni, y'all need to hit me up. I got y'all rims on my Porsche, and they might be going on my Rover and BMW. So Giovanni, if you need somebody to show your rims off, hit me up. Or matter of fact, I'm gonna give y'all a call because that's what my cousin told me to do anyway. So anyway, Scar, y'all need to hit your boy up. All right, hold on, y'all. All right, y'all, I had to move this show to the garage. Really kind of feeling bad, really, about this car. Like, I need to, like, this thing is so dirty. Rims messed up. Dash starting to crack on the inside, like. But I'm telling y'all, I'm about to flip this thing some serious. Just wait. Give me to about after we move, probably be in February. I already done looked into who I'm gonna send it to get wrapped. I was gonna have my guy put some candy paint on it, but I might still do that. I still haven't really decided which route I'm gonna go yet, but yeah, this car, I got some real good. Y'all gonna like the combo I go with on that. That's all I'm gonna say. Y'all gonna like the combination I go with. But yeah, the whole interior, like this dash, done got all messed up and stuff. But we gonna handle that. And then I wanted to talk about Megatron. Yeah, y'all see it. Got a new battery or alternator wire, cause the one on it fried. That's the reason why my volts keep reading 11 volts when I start it up. I'm thinking the battery keep dying. No, the problem was the wire. But yeah, I know I done talked y'all ears off long enough, so this your boy T Flashy checking out with another video.